Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add task in ClickUp. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your ClickUp application, or you can also navigate to any browser on a PC and log into your account using your user credentials on ClickUp. So, after navigating to your account, you'll have to make sure you're in the workspace where you want to create the task. I have this workspace where I want to do this. Now, after navigating to the workspace, in the list section, you will see an add task button appearing just right here. Now, if you don't see this add task button, you will see a button saying task name. Click here and enter this task's name. Now, this is a task that I just created. Now, you also get the option to set this task type. Click on this button and choose whether this is a task or milestone. So make sure you choose task if you want to create one. Now, click on this pinned template button and you can pin a template or browse templates for this task. You can also click here and choose an assignee for this task. Now, navigate to the due date section, click on set due date, and from these you can search the start date and choose an end date for this task from this section. Now, click on this flag button and set a priority for this task, whether this task is urgent, high, normal, or low. So we'll choose urgent, and you can also click on edit tags and search or create new tags in this section. After it's done, click on save. Now just below that, you will see an add task button appearing. You'll have to click on add task and you'll be able to create a task pretty easily here. So type in the task name in this section. After that, click on save and that task will be created and saved. Just like that, you can navigate to other workspaces, click on add task and add as much tasks as you want in ClickUp. So that's how you add tasks in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.